The Bird Who Forgot to Fly, a hidden parable from the Upanishads. The Bird Who Forgot to Fly, a forgotten story from the Upanishads. Self-realization and freedom. Did you know that deep within the Upanishads, hidden among the ancient wisdom of the rishis, lies a forgotten parable? The story of a bird who forgot to fly, a story that holds the secret to our own liberation. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a bird, majestic, vibrant, and full of life. But fate had something else planned. A wandering sage, captivated by its beauty, placed the bird in a golden cage. The bird, once free, now lived in comfort, fed with the finest grains and sheltered from storms. But there was one thing missing: its freedom. Days turned to weeks, weeks to years. The bird became accustomed to its cage. It forgot the feeling of wind beneath its wings. It even forgot that it could fly. The sage, wise and kind, often opened the door, but the bird never left. It was comfortable in its golden world, unaware that it was meant for the skies. Then, one fateful night, a great storm shook the forest. The wind howled, the trees swayed, and the cage rattled. The door flung open, but the bird, too afraid, clung to the bars. It had forgotten how to fly. The sage smiled and whispered, "My dear bird, the cage was never locked. It was always open. You only had to believe in yourself to fly again." At that moment, something awakened within the bird. A spark of memory, a lost instinct, a deep knowing. With trembling wings, the bird stepped to the edge and leapt. For a moment, it fell. Then the wind embraced it, lifting it higher and higher. It had not forgotten. It had only been sleeping, and now it was awake. This is the lesson of the Upanishads. We are not bound. We are not weak. The cages we live in are illusions, created by fear, doubt, and conditioning. But once we awaken, once we remember who we truly are, nothing can stop us from soaring to infinite heights. If you found this story inspiring, share it with those who need to remember their wings. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more forgotten wisdom from the Upanishads. Let's awaken together.